Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the batteries on DJI Osmo 360. To replace the battery, you'll need to open the door on the left side. Opening them isn't too easy. First you'll need to slide the switch to the side, then slide the whole door out while the switch is being held. Now you can open the door, but if you have some difficulties with it, then feel free to simply use one hand to pull the switch, and while pulling it, push the door down using another hand. Now the door is open. You can open it like that. You can see I have a battery in. I can take it out. Then you can replace it with a different one, or get that one to charging, because you can charge your device in two ways, either by charging the battery with a charging dock, or simply by charging the device while the battery is in with the USB-C port on the right side, which is hidden under similar door. Now when you want to put the same or a different battery in, remember to align the pins so the pins go upwards like that, and now close the door, and now the battery is in. You can turn on your device. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.